Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pooja Sharma, Associate Professor in Department of MBA. Today I will discuss about the venture capital. As you know, the venture capital is very important in development of any country. It is the concept which is very popular at the current time, and every person wants to take the risk, who wants to initiate in the business wants to take the risk for getting the maximum benefit. So venture capital is very popular term nowadays. Venture capital means funds made available for the new business, startups and SMSE. Venture capital helps entrepreneur to actuate scientific idea and invention. Basically, venture capital is what? It is the investment which is done by the person for the purpose of getting the maximum return, and for that very purpose a person has to take the maximum risk. And venture capital, it is the long term investment, and person made investment for the purpose of long term, and it is worked on the basis of the going concern concept of the accounting. Venture capital is made up of two words: venture plus capital. Venture means an undertaking involved has high risk, maximum risk, and capital means whatever the amount invested in the business by the businessman. Now I'll discuss about the features of venture capital. As I told you, it involves high risk. When a person starts any new venture, starts any new idea, and initiate a new services in the market, he has to take the maximum risk. There will be a high risk, and he has to just take the precautionary action. He has to think about it. He has to face the high risk, and for that very purpose, he will just made his mind as per that risk, and he has to evaluate the risk, measure the risk in a proper way to get the maximum return. Second, finance new and rapidly growing companies. Basically, whenever the capital employed with the new ventures, with the new ideas, with the rapidly growing companies, with the new services, with the unique ideas, that investment is known as the venture investment. Long term investment, the purpose of the venture capital is to invest in the business which is run for the long term. And participation in management, whenever the person is investing the amount in the venture, in a new business idea, he has a participation, he has the right to participate in the management. Either any company or financial institution which is investing in new venture, they have the right to participate in the management. Establishment, when I'll talk about the establishment, the concept venture capital, it was started in 1958 in US, but got a pace in 90s. In India, when I'll talk about in India, it was started in 1980s, but the pace and the growth was started in after 2006. 40% of the GDP comes from the new venture capital, and venture capital is very prompt for the small and medium scale industries. It is very important for the new growing companies or new entrepreneurs, and there are a lot of growth prospects for the service industry in venture capital. And you have seen in India, government of India is starting a new initiative for the startups. These startups schemes, the part is related with the venture capital. Under these schemes, there are various loans are provided by the government to initiate your ideas, to boost up the business, to boost up the industries. Basically, future prospects of venture capital in India. If I'll talk about the future prospects, it helps in rehabilitation of sick units. Basically, the sick units are those units which are converted, which are facing continuously loss from the last 5 years. So these sick units can be converted into again, can be started again the business with the help of the venture investment. It also assists in the transformation of new innovative technology based ideas into product and services. Means a person is having a unique idea and starts a new product and services in the field of the technology, they can start with the new venture capital, and that fund can be easily available nowadays for any businessman. It can help, it can play an important role in developing the service sector like tourism, health, publishing, etc. They can provide financial assistance to establish universities, technical institutes, etc. Nowadays, like Government of India taking initiative in the field of the venture investment, and they are providing easily available funds to the various sectors so that they can develop, they can just grow, and as well as they will contribute in the development of our country. As you know, present scenario of venture capital in India, when I'll talk about that, present scenario of venture capital finance is quite different. Venture capital financing is open to all the sectors. So nowadays it is easily available. Government of India is supporting a lot for the new entrepreneurs, for the new ventures. So it's a time to start a new venture. A person who is having the idea to start the business, they can initiate and they can use their idea and use their thought to implement that and to get the maximum return. But the person should have courage to start that initiative, to start to face that risk, because it works on the basis of the it works on the concept high risk and high return. So thank you so much. That's all for today.